Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the online class. So, we already completed our Karnataka, which is the continued part. Yes, two parts we were completed, and now today in this session we are going to learn the fourth division of Karnataka, that is Belagavi division. So, without wasting time, let us move for the lesson. In Belagavi division, there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There were 7 districts. Yes, like Belagavi, Vijaypura, Bagalkote, Dharwad, Gadag, Haveri, Uttar Kannada. These all were the districts of Belagavi division. So let us learn or let us discuss regarding Belagavi division. The four districts of this division were in Mumbai region till 1956. How much? The four districts of this division means the four districts of Belagavi division were belongs to Belagavi region till 1956. They were integrated into Karnataka during reorganization of states process. The Dharwad district of this division was divided in 1997 to form Haveri and Gadan. Which one? The Dharwad district where Dharwad district of Belagavi division were divided or was divided in 1997 to form Haveri and Gadag districts. Vijaypura district was divided to form Bagalkote district. The Dharwad district were divided as and formed as a new districts Haveri and Gadag. In the same way, Vijaypura district also divided as a Bagalkot. Yes, this division has 7 districts. Which one? Belagavi division has 7 districts. They are like Belagavi, Dharwad, Haveri, Gadag, Vijaypura, Bagalkote and Uttara Kannada. So let us know about the history of Belagavi division. This area was ruled by Mauryas and Shatavahanas. Mauryas were the first ruler who ruled India and the Shatavahanas who were the second rulers who ruled our India. Banavasi of this division was the capital of Kadambas, Badami the capital of Chalukyas. Kadambas, Banavasi was the capital of Kadambas and Badami which is the capital of Chalukyas. World famous temples are there in Pattadakallu, Badami, Aihole. Badami caves have wonderful idols. You can see on the desktop the cave temple which is that sculpture regarding Vishnu. Yes. So have you ever visited for the Aihole, Pattadakallu and Badami? In Badami you people can see even Mahakuta also. Yes. These all are world famous temples in our Karnataka. Along not only that, Basavana Bagewadi, Kudala Sangama were the centers of Vachana movement. Which one? Basavana Bagewadi, Kudala Sangama were the centers of Vachana movement. The final abode of Basavana, the leader of Vachana movement, is in Kudala Sangama of this division. Rashtrakutas and later Bahmani rulers ruled this Belagavi division or this place. The districts of Belagavi division have played a prominent role in the Indian freedom movement. Rani Channamma of Kitturu fought against the British in 1827 Common Era. This is a historical incident. Sangoli Rayanna's struggle is an unforgettable one. The National Convention of National Indian National Congress was held at Belagavi under the leadership or under the presidency of Mahatma Gandhi in 1924. Tax Daniel movement took place in Uttara Kannada district. The districts of this division were part of Bombay state. They were integrated into Karnataka, means they were added to the Karnataka during 1956. In the beginning, there were only 4 districts. Yes, like Vijaypura, Belagavi, Vijaypura, Dharwada, and Uttara Kannada. Later on, Vijaypura was divided as Bagalkote. Bagalkot became a district, and Dharwad was divided as Haveri and Gadag. So, in this way, new districts were formed in 1956. Not only in 1956, 1997, the Haveri and Gadag were formed as a district. Okay. Next, with the creation of new districts by dividing these 4 districts, now the total number of districts are 7. Vijaypura divided into 2 parts, and one was become as a Vijaypura district and another one is Bagalkot district. Uttara Kannada and Belagavi along with Vijaypura are the border districts. They were the border districts. You can see the picture of Kittura Rani Chennamma and even the Sangoli Rayanna. Yes. Let us discuss. When you people will watch this video, please try to answer for this exercise. Try to solve the exercise. Answer the following questions along with fill in the blanks. This is your homework. Yes. So let us know about natural resources. Belagavi division is rich in natural resources. It has rivers, dense forests, mineral deposits, fertile soil, and power generation units. Krishna, Malaprabha, Ghataprabha, Bhima, Kali, Tungabhadra. These are the major rivers of Belagavi division. There are beautiful waterfalls in the course of these rivers. Gokak waterfalls, Magodu waterfalls, Devamala waterfalls, Apsarakonda waterfalls are the scenic spots. Belagavi division has good tourist opportunities. Anshi National Park is there, which is on the banks of river Kali. Dandeli Wild Sanctuary is there. Wildlife Sanctuary is there. Attiveri Bird Sanctuary is there. Iron ore is also available in Bagalkot division or Bagalkot district. Another raw material available in this division is limestone. Cotterstone is available in plenty. Ilkal has a huge granite stone deposits. Ilkal, which you called as a Idakal. Okay, there we can see a huge granite stone deposit area. Yes, and not only that, Ilkal granite industry is there, which the granite was usually export for the another country. Yes. Next, let us know about agriculture and industries. In Belagavi division has black and red soil. Here the main crops are like paddy, cotton, maize, pulses, wheat, groundnuts, pearl millet, chili are the major crops of Belagavi division. Along with that, Jaggeri of Mahalingapura. Have you heard Mahalingapura? Yes, Mahalingpur, you know everyone. Yes, so Jaggeri of Mahalingpura, dried chili of Byadagi and cashew nuts are the major products. Malaprabha irrigation project and Uttara Krishna irrigation project are the major irrigation projects in Belagavi division. Kali, Varada, Saraswati, Doni, Bhima are the important and major rivers. Yes, you can see the picture of Almaty Dam. Fishing is the major occupation of the Uttara Kannada district. There are many fish processing units here. Cashew nuts is another major agricultural product and there are many cashew nut processing units are there. Kaiga, Kandra, Supa, Kodasahalli and Nandazari are the centers of power irrigation, means power generation. Vijaypura and Bagalkot districts are known for their horticulture crops like sugarcane, yes, Next, grapes are grown more in these districts. Grapes, Vijaypura was famous for the production of grapes. Yes. Next, many grape processing units are there. Pomegranate, orange, sapota, mosambi, and other fruits are grown here. Haveri is a center for improvised seed production. It has many national seed production centers. Gulergudda is known for its blouse pieces. Hubballi, Belagavi, Bagalkote, Gadag, Haveri are the emerging as the major industrial centers. Many granite processing units are there in Ilkal. Have you heard Ilkal Sire? That was the famous sari in our Uttara Karnataka. Yes. So after this, let us know about education and health of the Belagavi division. Dharwad, Belagavi and Vijaypura are the educational centers of this division. Karnataka University is in Dharwad. Hubballi has Karnataka Law University. Belagavi has Rani Chennamma University and Vishweshwaraya Technical College is also there. In Vijaypura has Karnataka State Women's University and Bagalkot has Horticulture University. So totally there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. There were total 6 universities we can see in Belagavi division. The literacy rate of this districts of this division are better placed. Medical and engineering colleges are there in Belagavi, Hubballi, Vijaypura and Bagalkote also there. Yes, medical and engineering colleges are there in Belagavi, Hubballi, Vijaypura and even Bagalkote. Kannada schools were started under the guidance of Deputy Chennabasappa during 19th century. Many private institutions have contributed to the field of education. Christian institutions have contributed a lot in the spread of education. The Belagavi division has achieved a lot of progress in the health sector. The population growth rate is at the least level, but child mortality rate and maternal mortality rates are higher. Women and children suffer from anemia. Rural areas have primary health centers. There are many sub-health centers in villages. Medical colleges are also running their own hospitals. Is it? Yes. Next, let us know about freedom fighters of Belagavi division. You can see the picture of Patil Puttappa and PG Halkatti. Yes. As said earlier, the struggle against the British had started in Kitturu of this division as early as 19th century. Mailara Mahadevappa became a martyr for the freedom of India. We shall not forget that freedom struggle started in Belagavi division. Thousands of people from this division have participated in the freedom struggle and also have faced imprisonment. Dasappa Kambari, Aluru Venkatarao, Nasu Hardikar, Hardikar Manjappa, Gangadhar Rao Deshpande, R.R. Divakar, Nadoja Patil Puttappa, and others have participated in the freedom movement. Many had involved themselves in social reform along with freedom movement. P.G. Halakatti, P.G. Halakatti, who is also known as the father of Vachana. P.G. Halakatti, who was also known as the father of Vachana, and he was also journalist. Moharo, Hanumantaraya and Patil Puttappa motivated people to participate in freedom movement through their newspaper. Through the newspaper. So after that, let us discuss about districts of Belagavi division. There were 7 districts. So let us know about 7 districts also. In this section, the uniqueness of every district of Belagavi division, their agriculture, industry and natural resources were explained. So let us know the first district, which is called Dharwad district. Dharwad is known as a cultural center of Karnataka. It is a land of literature, music and education. A sweet meat named Dharwad Peda. In Dharwad, the sweet was famous, that name was Dharwad Peda. Yes, when this district was part of Bombay state, Marathi was the official language. When Dharwad becomes a part of Bombay, at that time Marathi was the official language of Dharwad. But due to the forethought of education experts, many Kannada schools were started during the early part of 20th century. Many industries belonging to Tata Group are here. Boruk textile mill is here. Murudeshwara ceramics industry has given employment to many people, and Unkal Lake is between Hubballi and Dharwad, which is very important. Unkal Lake. Kundagod, a place which is few kilometers from Dharwad, has played a pivotal role in the development of Hindustani music. It is the birthplace of Savai Gandharva, who had achieved marvelous achievements in Hindustani music. Yes, this is the explanation of Dharwad district. Now let us go for the Haveri district. This Haveri district was formed in 1997. Dharwad district was divided to form Haveri district along with Gadag also. This is an agriculture based district. 70% of the labor force is dependent on agriculture. This district grows improvised hybrid seeds on a large scale. On a large scale, farmers produce the seeds and sell them to the seed companies on the basis of pre-existing contracts with a fixed price. Earlier, more farmers were involved in agriculture using in, inorganic fertilizer, insecticides and hybrid seeds. Now, most of them are moving towards organic agriculture and are using traditional seeds more. There are many historical temples in this district. Nagareshwara temple of Bankapura, Malatesha temple of Devaragudda and Siddheshwara temple of Chalukya period attract the attention of more people. The rock garden of Gotagodi has achieved international fame. Here, life-size statues and idols are created. It has been constructed by employing modern sculpture techniques. The artist Solabak, Sol, Solabakkannavara is the creator of this garden. Solabakkannavara. Haveri is